Alright, let's talk about these receptors right here. I like how these ones are a little thicker and they feed, the strap actually gets fed into them, which is pretty cool. The other ones were very thin right here and they bend, which these ones look way better. And just the metal Kizer buckle alone, it looks fire. See, this is the difference. This little piece sometimes bends. This one looks a lot thicker. Yeah, it looks way better. Not to mention these insoles, pretty thick. Look at that indentation. Oh yeah, these gonna mold to your feet. Pretty sick. Thick plastic at the bottom. Cool, dude. Alright, there's one. Got some new buckles. And the new liner. Boom! Alright, let's shine her up right quick. Might even put some new stickers. Maybe not. I ordered 2 silver buckles, which they're like plastic silver. If that makes any sense. And they sent me, I guess you need one for each side. They sent me 2 for the same side. But I ended up keeping them because I was going on vacation and I needed it, so I ended up using it upside down. But it's kind of been a shitty situation. So I got some new buckles to put on this bad boy. Some new Kizer buckles. I'm pretty excited. He just came in. I haven't even looked at him yet. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna be pretty heavy duty. Oh, look, there's that eyelet. I tore off my liner. Should have got some magic erasers. That shit works good. Shout out Corey English. Got that tip from him. It'll come off, but you gotta scrub hard. Gotta get that elbow grease from the closet, boy. Gotta give them a nice little scrub down every once in a while. Make these fuckers look good. Yeah. It's gonna be nice to have some decent buckles on here. I hope they're nice. I hope they work good, I mean. And I hope they look good too. What is the deal? Alright, I thought we should talk about the stuff that I got before I put it on my skate. I haven't even seen these yet. These are the new Kizer buckles. I'm pretty excited. I got the black ones because they had them in large, and I figured if they're too long, I could just cut them. But this was my old liner right here, the old recall liner, and this was a good liner. It came in my Power Slide Next, and my Power Slide Next is literally a Cinderella skate for me. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it did take some breaking in time though, and I did tough it out, and I'm glad I did because the skate fit me just like a glove. I'm excited about my new liner, and I'm hoping, since this one is a slimmer profile, that it'll fit me just like the way this one does now, except I won't have to go through the breaking in time, hopefully. And I wasn't even gonna get a liner. I was like, these are still good. I'll use them still, and they were pretty worn in. I'm not gonna lie. And I was like, nah, I'll tough them out. I'll still use them till I can't no more. So one of the lace loops broke, so I was like, perfect. Just gave me a reason to get a new liner. It was already, look, as you can see right here. I don't know if you can see, but it's wearing down right here. It was pretty broken in. But this was the original recall liner. I loved it when I first got it. The black and red really popped with just the black and white skate. It was pretty sick. So I'm pretty pumped to give it a new look. I'm gonna throw the second skin in here. So let's check it out and see what it looks like. I've already checked it out a couple times, but every time I look at it, I just get so pumped. And it's not all puffy like your traditional rollerblade liner or your traditional inline skate liner, I should say. They're always like real puffy, especially like, you get an urban skate or, like a free skate. It's gonna have like a puffy liner most of the time. But you get these performance liners, these are cool because they feel like you're sitting in a race car. So I could compare it to, like, I haven't seen any other liners besides the rain liner. I haven't ever had intuition in my hand, but this, to me, this is premium liner. I like this because I'm used to just riding the stock liners. But this is a pretty sick liner. It's got silicone dots here on the bottom to keep it from moving around. It's got a cool Velcro heel pad. This is pretty cool. A multifunctional Velcro support right here. I think it's for extra support, I would assume, and to take up more room in your skate, or if you need more room in your skate, you could take it out, or if you needed to take up room, and grip on the back of the heel so it doesn't move around. It also has holes right here for ventilation, which I thought was pretty cool. Let your foot breathe a little bit. And it's got a reinforced lace loop right here, which is pretty cool because that's where mine's broke. So you can see right here, it's got the strip that goes all the way through. So that's pretty cool. Reinforced strap to carry it. Yeah, this liner's sick. I love it. In all white, this thing is popping. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all the features. Oh, it's got a stiff cuff. The tongue is pretty stiff, which I can't wait to put my foot in it. I bet you it's gonna be sick. And it's pretty anatomically correct. It looks like the exact shape of your heel. It's got a sick heel lock, it looks like. So this is it, the second skin. This is a beautiful liner. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's put this bad boy in there. See what it looks like. And then I don't need the shock absorber because this one already has a shock absorber. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna tear this one off. That way I have an extra one. I might use this somewhere. I actually have something in mind for this. See if that works. And I can put these back in the skate. These neck skates, the neck skate is next level. This thing is bad. I love it. There's a lace loop again. I get the extra long laces so that way I can lace through my liner. So I'll probably just take those laces out to be real. Ooh, this liner's gonna be comfortable. Let's see what it looks like, guys. I know some of these come stock with the second skin now, but I had bought it when they came with the recall liner. They might actually come with a different liner now, I don't know, but oh no, this is cool. Let's see. Definitely give my skate a whole different look. See, I'll have to get used to it. I don't know, it looks pretty good to me. All right. I'll let you know how it feels when I test it out. Now the buckles. Let's see these Kizer buckles. These are gonna look sick. These are really gonna make my skate pop. New Kizer buckle. Alright, new setup, baby. This is my favorite part. Putting a new skate together, putting new parts on a skate. Wow, these look way better. Are they left and right? Oh yeah, these are way better by far. Oh, I was in dire need of some good buckles. No lie. Oh man, it's gonna be like a brand new skate. Even the receptors look a little better. Other ones bend kind of easy. Boom. Alright, there we are. Wow. How much a liner and a buckle can make a difference. New Kizer buckle. New second skin. This metal buckle's way better. Power slide, baby. Boom! They got me a brand new pair of skates. Time to test them out. You want to go outside? Yeah, because it's pretty outside. There he is.
You okay, Dad? Yeah. Yes, sir. They're asking him who's on his chest, and it's his tat. He didn't want to jump in that time. Look at a coyote.
Oh, look at that little guy. Look at him. All right, homie. Final thoughts. Let's start with the liner. This liner, I should have got the recall liner, the new recall liner. Because this is definitely a downsizing liner. And Johnny Man told me this. And I still went and bought it. Because I wanted the white. But nonetheless, it is still very supportive. Very supportive. I ended up taking the laces out. I ran my laces through the liner, and that was way better. It just feels like one whole piece when you run your laces through the liner and the skate. It wrapped around my ankle really tight. It was still supportive. It wasn't like my skate was all loose and I was swimming around in the boot or anything like that. It actually fit the boot really good. The only problem I had was like around the ankles. The liner, it fills up the shell perfectly. It's a 10.5 11, and it fits it perfectly. My foot fits the shell perfectly. It fits the liner perfectly. It just loose around the ankles for me. I should have got the recall liner because the new recall liner, it's just a vamped up version of the old recall liner, and that's the original one that came with the skate. And I think I needed a puffier liner around the ankle because I'm having to strap my strap down so tight. So now to the buckles, I ended up having to strap my buckle so tight because the liner was so it left so much room around my ankles. So I had to cut this thing twice, the strap, and then I'm probably gonna end up cutting it again, to be real. But I do like the liner, and it has been very supportive. And I don't have like, it's not like loose or anything, but like around the ankles, I probably did need a lot more cushion around there, so that way I didn't have to strap my strap so tight. But as for the buckles are amazing. They're probably some of the best buckles I've ever seen, because they're so heavy duty, and they're heavy duty metal. So check that out. Look, I've already put a beating on them, and they still look great. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the buckles. The straps are super thick, so this is a very good upgrade. So if you're looking for a nice upgrade on a buckle, this is the one. Yeah, I'm super happy with the liner. As soon as it got dirty, it actually kind of matched the skate. I actually think it looks kind of cool once it gets a little bit dirty, to be real. Because it was actually kind of too white, if you know what I mean, because of the skate. It was kind of dirty already, kind of scuffed up, so it kind of looked off a little bit, but it still looked good. But like now, it matches the skate way better because it's a little bit dirty. But that's just my opinion. Yeah, I'm super happy. Um, good stuff. Good stuff. Power slide. Good stuff. Kizer. Good stuff. My fit. Bueno. What is the deal? All right, homie. I'm gonna show you how to make cold brew. First, you get you some bomb ass coffee that you like. Right here we got some Colombian passion fruit. That sounded great for some cold brew. The passion fruit, they had me at passion fruit. And then you get you an urban assault carafe. Then you get you 1 cup of coarse ground coffee. And then we're gonna throw it in that little screen right there. Now we got the grounds in there. Now we're gonna dampen it with 2 cups of water. Alright, 1 more. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna fill it all the way up to the window right here. From the window to the wall. Right, that bad boy's almost filled up. Boom. See now how it's a little dry in some spots? You're gonna want to stir that. And just keep stirring it. I like to stir it for a couple minutes. Make sure it's all, see it brewing already. Make sure it all gets soaked really good. Just stir the shit out of it. Alright, now we're gonna let it sit on the counter for 24 hours. It is 6:07 right now. So 6:07 tomorrow. It'll be ready. Boom! This is gonna be your favorite pre-workout, your pre-skate workout drink. Okay, 24 hours later. We're gonna take this out. We're just gonna strain it. Then we're gonna store it. Alright, 24 hours later, you got coffee for all week. All you need is 2 to 4 ounces with some cold water. I like to make me a little syrup with this peach whipped honey I got, with some hot water. Mix them up together, add some cold brew and some ice, some oat milk. We're good to go, baby. I wish you guys could smell this stuff. Urban Assault. See, I got the little mason jars with the ounces on them. You could just fill it up halfway and just have it ready to go. 4 ounces. Add you some water the next day. Boom! You're ready to go. Bueno.